So the first thing we do when Penny wakes up is I change her diaper and I set her up to watch TV so that I can get coffee going and change so that we can start our morning. After I make coffee, I put up the dishes from the night before. Then I set up Penny for her snack so that I can go get ready and we can go on our morning walk. So after we have breakfast, or she has a snack, it's not really breakfast, we come outside for a little bit. Today she decided she didn't want to go for a walk. She wanted to play in the backyard. So we're back here this morning. Here comes Daddy bringing in the bob because she decided not to go. All right, so we went to go film a video for my Patreons today for their video for the month, and now it's still part of, you know, this whole quarantine. So part of the morning routine right now is entertaining Penny. Normally, on a normal day, I'd already be working, but since we have no babysitter, my sister is helping us out. But what happens is she still has to work as well, so she just logged onto her computer. She's about to do some work and then she'll let us work. So she let us go film, now we take over, she works, then we work. So right now we're having fun in the sun. Diles hola, mami.
Hola.
Hola. All right, guys, so I had to jump in the pool as part of the routine is still going. And, you know, just hanging out with the pen in the pool. Hey, I got to get some sun too, right? Says it helps with the coronavirus, so we're in here. So as you can see, quarantine works a little bit different than my regular Her Adventures videos that you guys have seen, because I'm always on the go. Still, the only work that I've gotten done today is definitely going to record a video and just making y'all a part of my day to show y'all what it's like now that we're quarantined versus when I legit like am out and about running errands trying to get ready for this tour. Now the tour's been postponed, so you know, we're just trying to, you know, do things to entertain you guys. I'm out for a walk now. It's close to Penny's nap time. She was too hyped, so walks usually get her to slow down. So off for a walk and we go. Hopefully when she falls asleep is when I can get some office work done, because I'm still working on postponing a lot of these dates. And then we just got an emergency alert on our phone saying stay your ass at home, because the spread of the virus is actually like a wildfire, and they said to stay home because it's spreading so damn fast. So staying home. All right, guys, so we're back from our walk. She's napping, and I'm finally gonna get some work done. So let me get started. While Penny was asleep, Chingo and I had to trade places because in addition to doing office work, I also had an interpreting assignment that I had to set up for and get dressed from the waist up so that I could interpret. All right, guys, it's the evening now, dinner time. We're still hanging in there.
How are y'all doing?
What did you do today, babe?
We worked out. My lady took me on a little boot camp. We ran hills. Wrote some music, recorded a little bit.
I played with Penny. I walked Penny.
Shaved my head because I'm not going to be in no barbershop.
Y'all, my eyelashes, look at this. I'm gonna start to look really weird here, and I don't know if I'm gonna record, cause anyhow, we're about to have dinner. It's 9 o'clock. I'm gonna end this vlog though, because I just wanted to show you guys what quarantine is like for us versus when I am actually working, as you guys have seen in the past. My sister is hanging out with Penny. They're on the couch enjoying their little time, and we're gonna have dinner.
It's Taco Tuesday every day. And the city is on a little bit of a shutdown, but you know what? We staying prayed up. We staying positive. I can see money's on. Staying prayed up and positive. You can't control the situation, but you can control your attitude towards the situation. So we're gonna get back to playing some music, having some wine, having dinner, and good family time. And we're gonna come out better after this thing. ¿Sí o no, hija? Vámonos.
So let's eat. Good morning, guys. Day 3 of the quarantine. And I say day 3 because Houston just got that whole curfew thing started on Tuesday at midnight. So Wednesday, Thursday, today's Friday, which I didn't know. Didn't realize it this morning until I looked at my watch and it said Friday. I'm losing track of days, time. And for the person who is super duper organized, I think this is the most unorganized I've been. I don't know where to start. I just usually have a routine and the routine has been thrown off. So I'm trying to create a new one. Yeah, it's a different dynamic for sure. So I'm just trying to kind of get used to this right now. I'm used to being able to work as soon as the babysitter arrives, and there is no babysitter. So right now work is super duper behind. And what I mean by work is trying to continue to fix all these dates for the tour and making sure that we're getting things situated so that when this virus dies, we can hit the road again. Hubby's wearing their vest too, Humble. Say hi.
We don't know what day it is.
Don't know what day it is, but cheers. ¿Qué estás haciendo? Whoa! All right, guys, so I don't know what walk this is, but this has been like our umpteenth walk of the day. Got some work done. We worked outside today while Penny played in her pool, so that was kind of nice. We kind of figured out that setup and we figured that's going to work for us. And now we're on another walk just to get out of the house because it's getting crazy, and then it'll be dinner, put Penny to sleep, and start this day 4 of quarantine all over again. So there's a lot of people kind of walking, trying to stay away, and you know, making the best of it. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to try and drop one every day just so that you guys can see how it's happening. This quarantine shit is happening. Oh yeah, what? It's random. I guess if you want to barbecue, go ahead. Anyhow, again, I'm gonna try to drop a video every day while we're at home, just to kind of document and show you guys what it's been like, how there's no one out here, and it's just been a crazy overall experience. And we technically don't know how much longer this is going to go on. So I don't know that April 3rd is going to be the last day. What do you think, babe?
Well, I know one thing for certain is we're going to keep checking in on you guys and stay positive. You know, that's what we're on. Mm-hmm. Stay positive, stay prayed up.
Prayed up.
And everything's going to be all right. We're going to come out better because we're thriving. We're not surviving.
Oops, sorry. All right, guys. So if you haven't yet, please be sure to subscribe, comment. Let me know if you guys are enjoying these vlogs. If not, then I won't make them anymore. But
what new skill are y'all working on during the quarantine?
Yeah, leave a comment below. I'm gonna try to get better at my sewing, okay? Because I love to sew, but I'm not the best at it. So I need to improve for sure. And anyhow, Again, if you haven't yet, please be sure to subscribe, comment, and click the little bell, guys, so that you know the next time I drop a video. And if you're just a lurker on here checking out what I do, get off, okay? Because you must have nothing better to do. Just saying, all right? All right, see y'all next time.